Let's start the question number question number 3 from exercise 14.1 from direct methods. Okay, this is the question number 3. The question says the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Here mean is 18. The answer is given over here, right? So find the missing frequency. We have to find out the missing frequency of these questions. The daily pocket allowance, then daily pocket allowance, they get 11 to 13 rupees, 13 to 15 rupees, 15 to 17 rupees, 17 to 19 rupees, 19 to 21 rupees, 21 to 23 rupees, 23 to 25 rupees. Number of children they get 11 to 37, 13 to 15 6, 15 to 17 9, 17 to 19 13, 19 and 19 to 21 F. We have to find out this. Okay, how many children get the pocket money of 19 to 21? 21, this 5 and this 5. Let's start the solution. This is the questions, so I will start the solution from here. Okay, what we can find out first we will find out the mid value, right, as we have done in the previous questions also. How to find out the mid value? That is the mid value, that is xi. The mid value, how we can find out? This is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. If we plus 11 plus 30, what we will get? 11 plus, if I write here 11, so 11 plus 13, what I will get here? 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 plus 1 is 2. If I divide by 2, it will be what? If I divide by 2, it will be 12, because half of 24. So we will write here 24. How we have got? 11 plus 13 divided by 2. We can get mid value from this. So again 13 in a similar way, 13 plus 15 divided by 2. If we divide, we will get the mid value. Yes, here we see 13 plus 15. What will get? 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by 2 will get half of 28 is 14. Okay, so we'll write here 14. So you see what is the gap between this 14 and 12, 12 and 14? The gap is 2. So we will add, in every value we'll add 2. Okay, we'll increase 2. If I increase in 12 2, what we get? 14. If I increase in 14 2, what I will get? 16. If I increase again 2, it will be here 18. If I increase here 2, what I'll get? 20. If I increase here 2, what I'll get? 22. If I increase here again 2, what I'll get? 24. Okay, in this way we can find out the mid value. See here, if you add here 3 plus 5 is what? 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. If I divide by 2, in this way we can find out the mid value. Okay, if I divide it, you see 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We have got the 24, right? So in this, no need to find out the mid value again and again. Okay, you see the gap between this number and just keep adding 2. Now what we are going to, according to the formula, we have to multiply fi and xi. This is the fi and this is xi. Okay, so 12 sevens are 12 sevens are, what is the 12 sevens are? 84. 14 6s are 84. 16 9s are 144. 13 8s are, if you multiply you will get 234. Okay, then if you multiply this with this, what you will get? Because it is a variable, okay, this is a variable, this is a constant number, you cannot multiply. So if you multiply, you will get 20f. Then 5 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. What is the carry? 1. 14 2s are 8, and what will be a 96. If you add this one, what you will get? Sigma fi xi. If I plus this, let's see what we will get. 4 4 4 is what? 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4, it will be 16, 16 plus 0, 16, 16 plus 6, it will be 22. Okay, 22 2 carry will plus this digit now, it will be 10, 10 plus 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26 plus 9, 26 plus 9, it will be 30, 26 plus 5, it will be 35, 35 3 carry, 3 4 5 6 7, 752. We cannot plus this value, okay, because it is a variable. So we'll plus only the constant value, this and this. Now this is the constant value. If I add, I'll get here plus 20f. Okay, if I plus this also, I'll sigma fi is equal to, if I add 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22, 22 plus 3 25, 25 plus this 25 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 4 34, 4 3 carry 4, and f plus f, because it is a variable. Now we'll calculate this one by using formula. By using formula, xi is equal to, as we know the formula is sigma fi xi sigma fi. So we know the mean value is what? 18. It is given in the question, mean value is given, okay, and sigma fi xi is 752 plus 20f divided by 44 plus f. Okay, this is our, by using formula mean, this is a formula of direct methods, and mean value is 18 is given in the questions, and fi xi is this one, and fi is 44 plus f is this one. Okay, now we will cross multiplication 18 will, there is a 1, so we have to multiply in this way, right? So 44 plus f and 752 plus 20f, if you multiply 18 fours 72, 7 carry, 18 fours 72, 72 plus 7 79. Okay, then plus 18 18f, I think it's right, 18 fours 72, 72 2, 7 carry, 18 fours 72, 72 plus 7 9 and 7 790 2. Okay, and then 752 plus and this is our 20f. 20f here. 792 plus 18f is equal to 752 plus 20f. So we will take the variable on the left hand side. 18f, if I take on the left hand side, bring on the left hand side, it will be 20f. Then 752, if it comes over here, it will be 792. If I cancel this one, 18f minus 20f, it will be minus 2f. Here 752 minus 792, let's see how it. 792 minus 752, it will be 0. 9 plus 5, 4, and 0, it means it is a minus 40. Okay, minus will be cancelled. F will be 40 divided by 2. If I cancel it, it will be 20. So the value of F is 20. So we can write therefore the required missing frequency is equal to 20. Okay, we'll do these questions by different methods also, that is by direct methods. Okay, how we can do this one as a direct methods, let's see. We'll do the same questions from question number 3 from assume mean method. We'll do the same question by assume mean methods. Okay, so what is the question? Daily daily pocket, and some disturbance is going on. Let's do these questions. Same question from assume mean methods. Okay, the daily pocket allowance, this is the questions. So we'll start finding the mid value xi. What will be the mid value over here? If I take if I 11 to 11 plus 13, it will be 24. 24 divided by 2, it will be 12. 13 plus 15, it will be what? 28. So we'll get the half of 28, it will be 14. We have to add 2 over here because the gap is 2. So gap if 2, it will be here 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Now what we have to do? We have to find here di is equal to xi minus a. So we can take the assuming from the mid value we take the assuming. There is a 3 value, there is a downside, there is a 2 value, 3 value. So we can take the middle value as this one, a. Okay, in a similar way, x is all this, xi is this value, and particular 18 is our assuming. So if I minus xi minus a, means this is itself is 18 and a, so 18 minus 18 it will be 0. Again 16 minus 18 because x is 16 and a is this, so we'll get here minus 2. If I minus, it will be minus 4, it will be minus 6 because the gap is 2, so it will keep on increasing 2. Okay, upside will take the negative, downside will take the positive. So now again 20 minus 18 it will be here 2, 22 minus 18 there will be a 4, and 24 minus 18 it is 6. Okay, now if I multiply fi and di, so fi and di, if I multiply 7 6 7 6 42, 6 4 24, 9 2 18, 13 zeros 0, 2 into f it will be 2f, and 5 into 4 5 4 20, 4 6 24. So we can add this value first. We will add this minus sign value. It will be 8 plus 4 12, 13 14, 14 it will be 4 1 carry, 5 6 7 8 minus 84. We cannot add variable, but we can add only the constant value. Constant value is 0 plus 4 4, 2 plus 2 4, positive 4. Okay, sigma fi di, it will be, if I minus this one, what I will get here, minus 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 4 it will be 4 minus 40, and this will be plus, it will be plus 2f. Okay, so we have got this value. If I add, I will get sigma fi di, oh sorry, sigma fi value, it is a sigma fi. Okay, this is fi, so sigma fi value will be, if I plus, I will get the value here 44 plus fi. We have already calculated in the direct method the previously we have done the same questions, right? So by using formula, mean xi is equal to, assuming formula is a plus sigma fi di sigma fi. What is the mean value? Mean is already given, 18 is equal to, a is our this one, a is our 18, right? So we'll write here 18. Sigma fi di is this value, minus 40 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f. So this one is 18, this one, if 18 is this, if I bring it this one on the left hand side, it will be 18, this will be plus minus plus 2f, and it will be 44 plus f. This will be cancelled, though there will be 0. Okay, now again it will be minus 40 plus 2f, 44 plus f. We have calculated this one. Sorry, we have missed out this, no, something. So what I have taken that, I have bring 18 on the left hand side, it will be 18 minus 18, it will be 0, then plus minus plus 2f, then divided by 44 plus f. Okay, this one. Now again, if we do the cross multiplication, 0 into 44 plus f and minus 44 plus 2f, if you calculate, you will get again 0. Will minus 44 plus 2f. Now if we bring this variable on the left hand side, it will be 2f minus 44, minus minus will be cancelled, then f value will be what? 44. I think this value is 40, right? Here is 40, this is our 40. Okay, then numerator is 40, right? These are 40. So if I divide with 2, I will get here 20. That is f value is 20. Okay, to 40 divided by 2. Therefore the required therefore the required missing frequency is equal to 20. Okay,